So now we'll work on problem 38 from chapter 17. In this problem, we're asked to predict whether the equivalence point of each of the following titrations is below, above, or at pH 7. The first titration which we're given is formic acid titrated with sodium hydroxide. So we have a weak acid being titrated with a strong base. And when we have a weak acid titrated with a strong base, the equivalence point will be above 7 because the pH will be determined at the equivalence by the conjugate base. So it will be a basic solution.